Aloha Kauai, this is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, August 18th. This week, our office announced the opening of our fiscal year 2022-2023 Grants and Aid program. We are accepting proposals from nonprofit organizations who may apply for funding up to $25,000. To apply or learn more about the grant requirements, visit www.kauai.gov and click on the application button on the home page. Proposals must be received on or before 4:30 p.m. on Thursday, September 1st. On Friday, August 19th, Malohia Road from Kaumuali'i Highway to the Alakinoiki Junction will be closed from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. to allow our County Roads Division to conduct an annual cleanup of the tree tunnel. During this road closure, traffic will be diverted to Kaloa Road. We'd like to congratulate the Kauai Independent Food Bank for celebrating its 30th anniversary and the purchase of their building in Nawiliwili. I was honored to attend their celebration on Tuesday, where we recognized the hardworking staff and volunteers who have helped to provide food and supplies for Kauai's people year after year. We thank you all for your support and aloha given to our community over these past 3 decades and for the many years yet to come. On Wednesday, we joined personnel from the Ocean Safety Bureau, Kauai Fire Department, Department of Parks and Recreation, Kauai Lifeguard Association, and the Kauai Visitors Bureau to proclaim August 21st to the 27th as Hawaii Lifeguard Appreciation Week here on Kauai. Our lifeguards are responsible for protecting the lives of more than 1 million Hawaii residents and millions of visitors who vacation in the Aloha State annually. We recognize the important work of our lifeguards, especially here on Kauai, who put their safety on the line to protect others every single day. To our heroes, thank you for all that you do. Now for an update on COVID-19. We are sad to announce 3 fatalities from COVID. A male resident in his 80s who was hospitalized, female resident in her 90s who was not hospitalized, and a male resident in his 60s who was not hospitalized. Our condolences are with their families. The recent deaths are a sad reminder that COVID can be serious and even deadly for some. If you or those around you are at increased risk, please take precautions and seek medical care if you are ill. Case counts are down on Kauai and statewide this week. Kauai's 7-day average is at 17 cases a day, down from 23 cases last week. For more, we turn to Kauai District Health Officer Dr. Janet Berriman.
Thanks, Mayor. Last week, the CDC updated its quarantine guidance. Unvaccinated individuals who have been exposed are no longer recommended to quarantine. If you are sick with COVID, isolation is still required for 5 days. This has not changed. It's advisable to wear a mask whenever you're around other people for an additional 5 days. However, those who test negative on a home test after 5 days and again 48 hours later may discontinue wearing a mask after those 2 negative tests. Due to the statehood holiday, COVID testing at the Kalaheo Neighborhood Center and Kauai War Memorial Convention Hall will be closed on Friday, August 19th. Testing will resume on Monday at the Convention Hall and the Hanalei Neighborhood Center. For a list of testing locations, visit www.kauai.gov/COVID-test. The Novavax COVID-19 vaccine is available on Kauai and is another option for COVID-19 vaccination for adults 18 and older who have not previously been vaccinated. Kaiser Permanente in Lihue is offering Novavax to members and non-members by appointment only. Call 808-432-2000 for an appointment. For a list of vaccination locations, visit www.kauai.gov/vaccine. The Department of Health has identified an additional case of monkeypox on Kauai. The individual is a non-resident diagnosed here whose case is related to travel outside of Hawaii. The Jynneos vaccine is now being given in a smaller dose by the intradermal route. When given in this way, the smaller dose is equally potent and equally effective as a larger dose given subcutaneously. Changing the route of administration means we have more vaccine available and can offer this protection to more people. With expanded vaccine eligibility, those interested to make an appointment may call the Kauai District Health Office at 808-241-3495 or Malama Pono Clinic at 808-246-9577. The phones are available Monday through Friday during normal business hours. You can leave a voicemail if you call outside of regular business hours. Monkeypox is not yet widespread on Kauai. Now is the best time for those who are at increased risk to get vaccinated. If you are a man who has sex with men or meet other eligibility requirements, please consider being vaccinated now. Mahalo to our community for taking part in the Community Assessment for Public Health Emergency Response (CASPER) survey from July 26th to 30th. And thank you to our DOH staff with support from Kauai Medical Reserve Corps, the American Red Cross, and others. This was an important initiative to assess the community's perception of Kauai's COVID-19 response efforts and current emergency preparedness levels. To view the preliminary 2022 report and prior CASPER survey reports, please visit health.hawaii.gov/Kauai.
Thanks, Dr. B. Next week, we'll be taking a short break from our County of Kauai briefing. Our next video update will be on Thursday, September 1st. And last but not least, to all of our young adults going off to college, congratulations, study hard. We are so very proud of you. Until then, mahalo and stay safe, Kauai.